YouTube. Today we're going to install Roblox Studio so we can start creating great Roblox games. First, need to go to roblox.com/create. Once here, press the Start Creating button. This will check your computer for Roblox Studio, and if it's not installed, the download will start. The next step is to select where we want Roblox Studio to be downloaded to. Once you've done this, press the Save button. Now Roblox Studio is downloaded, we need to open the installation folder by clicking this folder icon. Once opened, we will double click the file we downloaded to install Roblox Studio. Once installed, it will open automatically and you need to log in with your Roblox account. If you don't have an account, ask an adult to set one up for you. I will log in with my LJ Software account. Now I'm logged in, I can start creating Roblox games. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe. Next time we will look at the different parts of Roblox Studio and how to create stuff in it. Bye!